Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me. If you're new here, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Today's recipe is very simple. I am going to show you how to make this tilapia using my air fryer. So stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. On this plate, I have 2 tilapias which have been cleaned with lemon water and some salt. For my seasonings, I have aromats, onion salt, garlic granules, coriander, cumin, smoked paprika, olive oil, jumbo crayfish flavoring stock. I have white pepper, black pepper, and some suya powder. As always, all ingredients, including measurements, will be in the description box below. In a bowl, I'm going to mix together all my seasonings, which I'll be using to marinate my tilapia. As I've added all my seasonings to a bowl, I'm just adding some olive oil, and next I'm just going to mix everything together. I will set this aside for later use. Before I proceed to marinate the tilapias, I'm just using kitchen towel to dab the tilapias and remove any excess water which I may have from cleaning the tilapia. Now I'm going to go ahead and make some incisions in the tilapia using my sharp knife, and I'll be doing this on both sides. I am now going to marinate the tilapias using a marinade which I had made earlier. I'm going to ensure that every part of the tilapia is well coated. As the tilapia is nicely coated in the seasonings, I'm now going to place it in my refrigerator and allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour. 30 minutes to an hour later, I have placed my tilapias in my air fryer and I'm going to allow it to cook for 25 minutes to 30 minutes. And guys, the tilapia is ready. It looks amazing. My husband cannot wait to tuck in. He's going to enjoy it with some fried yam. Fun fact about me, I actually don't eat tilapia, but I used the same marinade on sea bass and it was delicious. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Enjoy your tilapia or any type of fish that you make with this marinade, and I will see you next time. Bye.